Welcome to this lesson on bases, one of the two major categories of chemical compounds in acid-base chemistry. Bases are substances that act as proton acceptors and produce hydroxide ions when dissolved in water. Understanding bases is fundamental to chemistry, as they play crucial roles in countless chemical reactions and everyday applications. A base is defined as a substance that acts as a proton acceptor and produces hydroxide ions, represented as OH-, when dissolved in water. The key characteristic of bases is their ability to either accept hydrogen ions from other substances or release hydroxide ions into solution. This behavior makes them the chemical opposite of acids. There are two important theories that define what a base is. According to Arrhenius theory, bases are substances that produce OH- ions in aqueous solution. The Brønsted-Lowry theory provides a broader definition, stating that bases are substances that accept protons, or H+ ions, from other substances. Both definitions are useful and apply to different situations in chemistry. Let's look at a concrete example of how bases produce hydroxide ions. When sodium hydroxide, NaOH, dissolves in water, it dissociates completely into sodium ions, Na+, and hydroxide ions, OH-. This dissociation is what makes sodium hydroxide a strong base. The hydroxide ions released into solution are responsible for the basic properties of the solution. Here are 6 common bases you'll encounter in chemistry. Sodium hydroxide, NaOH, and potassium hydroxide, KOH, are strong bases used in industry and laboratories. Calcium hydroxide, CO of OH subscript 2, is found in cement and mortar. Ammonia, NH3, is a weak base commonly used in cleaning products. Magnesium hydroxide, Mg of OH subscript 2, is used in antacids. Finally, barium hydroxide, Ba of OH subscript 2, is another strong base used in analytical chemistry. Ammonia provides an excellent example of the Brønsted-Lowry definition of a base. When ammonia, NH3, is dissolved in water, it accepts a proton from a water molecule. This produces ammonium ions, NH4+, and hydroxide ions, OH-. Notice the equilibrium arrows, indicating this reaction is reversible. Ammonia doesn't contain hydroxide ions initially, but it produces them by accepting protons from water molecules, demonstrating its basic nature. Bases have several characteristic properties that help us identify them. First, bases taste bitter, though you should never taste chemicals in a laboratory. Second, bases feel slippery or soapy to the touch because they react with oils in your skin. Third, bases turn red litmus paper blue, which is a simple test for basicity. Finally, bases conduct electricity when dissolved in water because they produce ions in solution. These properties make bases easily distinguishable from acids. Let's review the main concepts. Bases are proton acceptors that produce OH- ions in water, making solutions basic or alkaline. Common bases include sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide, and ammonia, each with different strengths and applications. Bases have distinctive properties including a bitter taste, slippery feel, and the ability to turn litmus paper blue. Understanding these fundamental characteristics of bases is essential for studying acid-base chemistry and chemical reactions.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.